Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Skechers golf shoes for men. The Skechers Men's Tempo Spikeless Waterproof Lightweight Golf Shoe. If you're searching for a golf shoe that combines comfort, performance, and style, this model might just be what you need. First off, the design of these shoes is sleek and modern, crafted with a synthetic leather upper that gives them a premium look while maintaining durability. The lace-up closure ensures a secure fit, adapting comfortably to your foot shape as you move through your swing or walk the course. One of the standout features is the Goga Max technology insole. This innovation offers high rebound cushioning, which means every step feels supported and springy, reducing fatigue during those long rounds. Complementing this is the lightweight eco-flight cushioning in the midsole, which is not only resilient but also made with at least 10% recycled materials, blending performance with a touch of sustainability. When it comes to traction, the Skechers Tempo shines with its Grip Flex Spikeless TPU outsole. This outsole design provides superior grip and stability across different surfaces, so you can confidently make your shots without worrying about slipping, even on wet or uneven terrain. Speaking of wet conditions, these shoes come with waterproof protection, making them ideal for golfers who play regardless of weather. The waterproof feature keeps your feet dry and comfortable, ensuring that soggy grass or light rain won't interrupt your game. Despite all these technical features, the Tempo remains lightweight, making it easy to wear throughout the day without feeling weighed down. This balance of lightness and cushioning means you can maintain your focus on the game without discomfort. Overall, the Skechers Men's Tempo Spikeless Waterproof Lightweight Golf Shoe is an excellent choice for golfers seeking a combination of style, comfort, and practical performance features. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, these shoes offer the support and traction you need to play your best. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.